The one thing I would say that was kind of useless to me in this phone was... Welcome to a day in my life with the Google Pixel 8 Pro. So grab your popcorn because this is going to be amazing. Let's go. I like to film currently on the phone. Like, this is a front-facing camera, elevator, minimal lighting, and this just gives you an example because here is really echoey. So I'd love to know how the audio is sounding. Right. Okay, so here's the funny thing. I'm currently filming my review comparison between the Pixel 8 Pro and the iPhone 15 Pro Max, and I'm also filming a day in the life with the Pixel 8 Pro. So right now I'm going to perform a sound test. I'm testing to see how the audio speakers, how the dual speakers on both of them perform. That video is going to go live probably before you see this one. So when you're watching this, I'm going to leave a link for it. Just feel free to watch that after you watch this video and, you know, support the boy. Let's listen to how they both sound. So I think for me, the sound quality of the iPhone sounds a little bit fuller, though the Pixel 8 Pro still sounds really nice, but it just sounds a little bit more mastered. I don't know if it's just me or if there's some bias here. Anyway, let me know in the comment section. But this video is about the Google Pixel 8 Pro and how I use it throughout today, test out the battery, the cameras, to see if this will be able to keep up to date and keep me going for the rest of my day. It's about to start raining. The weather is really dark, but I'm just here testing the front-facing camera of the Google Pixel 8 Pro. Also, the audio is from this, and the good thing about the Google Pixel 8 Pro, like I said before, you can edit some sounds and noise and take that out of your audio if you want to. Like the sound of those things, those cars passing, you can take that out.
Ah, look who it is. Decided to finally show up. Yo, let's go, let's go. Look at this luxury. This is the dream car. Beautiful. Look at this. Let's start it up. Ooh, let me start it off. Where's the start button? Wait, I'm stupid. There it is. Oh, you hear that? Oh, this is amazing. Guys, this is my dream car. CX-30. I wanted the turbo version, obviously, because it's amazing, but honestly, my family's been driving Mazda for the longest time. I love their design language. I love like all their interiors and just like how they design their cars. It's amazing. This is the car of my dreams, and hopefully I can get this sometime next year.
Next year.
Channel kicks off.
Next year.
Yeah, let's go.
Oh shit! Oh man!
Man, this thing is
Oh man! That
it's not
was.
as instant as an EV, but the sound here, the rev of the engine.
I love the gas. One or two other schools, and I'm just really working double time on it. We had to adjust. We had to adjust the bug we caught on the app, so that was what delayed everything. Hopefully this week I should get back on it. Send.
Take the next right onto Gardeners Road.
So let's just quickly talk a little bit about what my battery is currently. So the time is 4:30 p.m. and my battery is at 69%, and I have accumulated about 2 hours 30 minutes of screen on time. Most of them went through the camera, about 35% to the camera, and about 10%, 11% on Instagram, WhatsApp, photos, the map, Spotify, YouTube. And this is just like 4:30. So I'm going to say like this phone will pretty much get you through a good day, right? Unless you want to do some really, really hefty cinematography kind of thing. Apart from that, like just like when I used the 15 Pro Max, like it took me through a decent day because I was on LTE. Now this battery is even better because I was totally on Wi-Fi throughout today. So definitely like LTE or 5G or Wi-Fi affects how your battery burns. I really love that. Another thing I really love about this phone so much is the matte finish makes no fingerprint be visible on it, and I really, really love that. I really like that about it. This has been a very, very good camera, good phone, good battery. It did not overheat, and also when connecting it with like Android Auto, seamless experience, very fast, very quick, very responsive. And leaving here, I'll try and get my hair cut. If I can't do that, I'll probably have to leave that for another day. But that's the update I have for you now, so let's get going. Alright, so I just wanted to really appreciate those that kind of commented on the tweet I left. I said if you wanted to see yourself in the video, so here you are. RJ, John, Lou, and Saro, thank you guys so much. Thank you for the support. And so, man, the time is just 5:50 p.m. It's so dark outside. I woke up very tired, but this is what I have to say about the Pixel 8 Pro so far. The screen under the sun, though the sun wasn't that harsh, but the screen under the sun, perfect, beautiful. Camera, amazing. The battery, my battery is still 73%. I won't say I use this phone like the heaviest that I would possibly love to have used it, but this just shows like an average user, like I always say. I'm going to give this a solid 8 over 10 in my own opinion. If you'd like to watch the video whereby I compared this with the iPhone 15 Pro Max, that video should be live on YouTube while you're watching this, so you can just watch that right after this video. The one thing I would say that was kind of useless to me in this phone was the temperature sensor. I never found any need to use it. I don't know why it's there. Probably in the future there will be need for it, but that's it for today. I'm signing out. Need to get some sleep and okay. See you next time.